Bitcoin is weighing in at $76,994. But today we're not going to be looking at the charts per se. We're going to be looking at another chart that I have been talking about for quite a while. And it's this one here. And as I told you before, and I'll say it again, this is the one I've been watching because of two reasons. One, the short-term holders cost basis, and two, the true market mean for Bitcoin. And for the first time in a long time, we can see that the short-term holders cost basis has now gone below the true market mean. True market mean stands at $78,217, while the short-term holders cost basis is at $78,202. Now, it's only about $15 beneath. Still early days yet, but this should be a sign, a warning sign to everybody to stop getting all uppity when it comes to Bitcoin, which is what I warned about last week. Again, I remind you what happened between 2021 and 2022. You can see what has happened here, and it's quite similar. The main difference here is that the price actually went above the true market mean, which it didn't do way back in 2022 before the fall. Now, if we're to go by what we see here, then I wouldn't be surprised if we find the price of Bitcoin coming all the way down to the standard deviation price here, which is at about 48,549. I don't think we're going to go that low. I think we will not go anything below 50,000, but that's my personal take on that matter. We have to keep watching and be cognizant of what we are talking about before we start talking about the positions that, particularly the price actions that Bitcoin is exhibiting in recent times. Secondly, there's something else I want to talk about, and that is this. This is the bear market correction drawdowns. And over the first, second, third, and fourth one, as you can see here, we have an average of about, I think it's about 323 or 324 days. Now, let's say it's 324 days. So far, we've got 226 days through. So that leaves us with approximately another 100 days, which we have not seen yet. So I wouldn't be surprised if we go for the next 3 months. So we're looking at June, July, August, and maybe see into September before we actually start seeing anything reasonable to talk about. As always, price is about probabilities and not predictions. Anyway, that's me. So keep your eyes and ears open and you're trading sharp. Have a good one.